Sunrise paints the water gold, the mist upon the bay. The fishing army's lines are cast, awaiting on their prey. Silence hangs thick and deep, the nets are ready to heave. But in my gut, a rumble starts, a pressure I can't believe. It's not the churning ocean waves, it's deeper, dark and grim. The battle of the breaking wind is starting within him. Oh, the fishing army, standing tall and straight. I feel the gaseous moment pressing hard against the gate. My comrades near, the captain's watching. The smell would ruin the hull, but the internal combustion engine's warning me it's gonna brawl. Hold it in, soldier, hold it tight beneath the salty spray. But this flatulent torpedo wants to blow the fish away. On the deck, the focus is intense. Each twitch of line, each silent pull, a trial of common sense. But this abdominal uprising demands immediate release. A silent killer, brewing slow, disturbing all the peace. I shift my weight, I clench my core, I try to look serene, while inside a hydrogen sulfide factory's working mean. Oh, the fishing army, standing tall and straight. I feel the gaseous moment pressing hard against the gate. My comrades near, the captain's watching. The snow will ruin the hull, but the internal combustion engine's warning me it's gonna brawl. Hold it in, soldier, hold it tight beneath the salty spray. But this flatulent torpedo wants to blow the fish away. The urge is mighty, the pain is sharp. I fear a noisy breach, like a cannon fired across the sea, beyond the sound of reach. If I turn and cough or bend down quick, can I mask the sound and scent? The fisherman's farting dilemma is a truly dire event. One last deep breath, a desperate squeeze. The line goes tight, we pull. The fish flop onto the wooden deck. The tension's mercifully full. And in the clamor amidst the squawk and flap, I sneak a tiny sound. Success! It was a silent one, no stinking gas around. The fishing army fished another day. The fishing army fished another day. The fishing army fished another day.